we focus on an area called identity security, which is really ensuring people have the right access to the right data and systems.
Obviously, identity-based attacks are becoming more and more prevalent in today's society. Is that driving Sailpoint's growth at all?
It's very clear that the demand for solutions in this realm of security is only increasing. We hear it from customers of all sizes and scales. We're pretty global, we operate around the world, and it's a common refrain. Absolutely, our ability to capture that growth and that demand is absolutely helping drive healthy growth for the business.
AI is at the forefront of so many discussions around the world, generative AI, the rapid development of technology. And we're seeing more and more companies, corporations really move to SaaS applications, move to the cloud. How are you ensuring data privacy as well as integrating AI, but still staying ahead of the bad actors?
Like at the end of the day, there is clearly a positive and negative aspect to what's happening with AI, right? And on the one hand, we believe, as do most of our compadres in the security industry, that we're going to be able to do some of what we do better and more effectively. Unfortunately, so will the bad guys, right? And so there's a little bit of a cat and mouse going on with how do we use some of these emerging technologies to better understand threats or potential compromises, all the stuff we just talked about, while they, on the other side, are using those things, whether nation states or criminal actors or others, to try to compromise our organizations. I love this term. I still don't know if I fully understand it, that these tools occasionally hallucinate. It literally means it makes things up as it's building these inferences from its models. So we can't have things where the system thought something was true that wasn't and then act on that. And what we do, we have to say, look, we still may need some validation of what the tool is telling us. We're proceeding with some caution. We joked about our phrase is proceed aggressively with caution as it comes to AI, right? Lean in, figure out how to leverage this technology, but don't go all in a way that could potentially expose us or our customers.
What are some other big themes this year at RSA?
But increasingly, identity is a relatively newer thought process for a lot of security professionals. How am I controlling? I say sometimes what we really do is control security through the lens of identity. People have controlled security through the lens of the network, of the device or endpoint, of the database. It's a newer thought to say, do I really understand my identity landscape in my organization, and am I controlling and protecting my enterprise through that lens?
Thank you for joining me today.
Thanks, Trinity.